Hello, everyone. My name is Andrew Wright. I am your instructor for this U.S. history since 1877, since Reconstruction. Um, I wanted to make this video because I haven't had the opportunity to speak with you guys um, individually. So I wanted to make this video so we can kind of go over some things. A couple of you have issues and concerns, and I want to try to clear those concerns up kind of in a broad spectrum so that we all can be on the same page moving forward. First of all, I'm very excited to have you all in my class. I have a passion for teaching history. Um, and I look forward to continuing with you as we move forward in this course. U.S. history is very unique, but it is very exciting as well. It can be exciting. It can be a positive situation, a positive academic experience in your life. But like everything else, it's going to be what you make it. So let's start off with a couple of things. One, um, grading. This course is very straightforward, where there's no curveball. There will not be any curveballs unless something comes down from the people that I work for the people who are hired that want me to do things a little differently. Then I will do things, of course, as I'm instructed to do. But everything that I tell you needs to be done is straightforward and it's in front of you. The discussion. Let's start off with the discussion. Your discussion needs to be done by Wednesday every week. Um, that is laid out in the discussion tab. Um, and really only a couple of you have had issues with that. So let me not make this broad sweeping statement because only a couple of you had issues with that. I'm somebody that likes to shoot you straight about life, and I like to give you things the way that they are. You're in college. This is not high school. This is not middle school. Our job as instructors is to guide you and to give you the information that you need to be successful. It's your job to seek out that information. It is your job to figure out um, how to manage your time, and it is your job to look and see when something is due and when it needs to be done. If you have issues with that, then of course we can discuss that, but that is up to you. The onus is on you as a college student, even though this is a community college or a junior college. The onus is still on you to turn in your assignments and to turn them in on time. Um, when I want them turned in is already laid out for you. As far as the syllabus is concerned, I tried to stray away from the syllabus as far as the students is concerned because with COVID, there are so many changes that can happen. I would feel like I would be constantly rewriting a syllabus, so I try to keep week to week. You'll know I try to have at least 2 or 3 weeks in advance so you know ahead of time what you need to be doing. Um, that's kind of how I like to do business moving forward. Give you weeks in advance of information, and it's up to you to make the most of it. It's up to you to turn in your assignments. Um, your discussion board, your discussion post, forgive me, needs to be, your initial post needs to be 250 to 300 words. Your initial post is due by Wednesday at 11:59 p.m. every single week, unless I tell you otherwise. That is again in your discussion tab on the left hand side in the course homepage. When you look up discussion, when you click on discussions, there's an entire tab. There's actually a tab marked instructions, and again, that is up to you as a student to read. So again, like I said, there's only a couple of you who've had issues reading that assignment and what is demanded of you. But after you write your initial post on Wednesday, which is 250 to 300 words, you need to write at least at a minimum 100-word reply to two different students, two different peers. You need to write the replies. Those replies are due by Sunday at 11:59 p.m. Again, unless I tell you otherwise. Any assignment I give you is due by Sunday at 11:59 p.m. unless in the weekly module, in the weekly tab, it says otherwise. It is due by Sunday at 11:59 p.m. I do not accept late work under any circumstances. I do not accept late work. This is a stepping stone for you to be young adult, to move forward with your life, and to realize that the reality of the world is sometimes you're not given second chances. I do not accept late work, period, under any circumstance. Okay, I want to make that clear to you. When the video reaction is put up, or when an assignment is put up for you in your weekly tab, if that date passes, that assignment will no longer be available to you. Period. End of discussion. There will be no, oh, I didn't know, I didn't read it. Every week, every Sunday or Monday, you need to look at your weekly tab and see what assignments are there for the week and when they're due. That is your responsibility as a student. That is not my responsibility as your history instructor to make you do that. It's my job to put it up, which I do, which I have, and it is your job to see when it is due, regardless of how busy you are or what else is going on in your life. That is just period in the discussion. Like I said, I like to shoot you guys straight when it comes to the way I do business in the course. So if you see, and for that week, it will start off blue. Everything will start off blue or in color. Once it's no longer due, it will turn to gray. And that means you cannot click on it and turn it in. No matter what you try to do, it will not be accepted. And that's really it. Those are really the things going on in this course. Every week I will try to at least once a week try to set up a Zoom, so if you have questions we can have those discussions face to face. Starting this coming Monday, I will have a Zoom meeting every week, but you are more than welcome to get a hold of me if you have any questions. I do look forward to speaking with you guys for the rest of the semester, and I hope that I've answered your questions. If you have any more questions, please let me know.